I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Right. Hello?
I just seen where you were at. I'm on my lunch break.
Oh, I just got here.
You just got to Indiana?
Oh, I just got to my spot because I stopped several times to go potty and there's a lot of, curves and stuff and you have to find the place and yeah, I'm here now and we are an hour ahead, so
Do you have somebody with you?
no.
Oh, you said we are.
Oh, I don't know why I said that. But Tom had called me when I was inside. I found a Rulers in Jasper, and that's the county seat for whatever county that is. I don't think it's Perry because I came into Perry. I did see a couple buzzards they were eating on something. I saw a lot of dead deer. One of them was a baby.
Aww.
And then when I was coming down this road, I can't, because it was shady, I couldn't quite tell whether it was a turkey or whether it was a pheasant. And it had babies waddling around after her, so it's like, and Southern Illinois, I came across, I was coming around some curves and because it was like going through the country type thing. I'm not sure if it was a beaver or a muskrat. I think it had a straight tail. But it was like out on the edge of the field. And I know farmers don't like beavers or whatever it is because they dam up the water and then they flood their fields out. But yeah, I'm seeing all kinds of stuff down here, so it's kind of cool. But I haven't been over to the river yet. I'm going to go wander around. And
What's the town you're in?
I think it's Cannelton. Cannelton?
What bag is it, Caitlin?
Do what?
Oh, she's looking for her. What color is it? Black and white. Did you have it ready to go out the door? No. I didn't know it was gonna
It's 11:30 there, isn't it?
It's 12:30.
12:30 there?
Yeah. Not all Indiana is time zone change. Just certain sections of Indiana.
Well, it's like it was weird. Well, I was went into Perry, then I came out of Perry, and I went back into Perry again. It's like, okay, we're talking one of those things, so.
Caitlin, when you get a full up there out potty.
It does say 12:30. But let me, I think my The car never changes though, but it does say 12:30. So
No, unless you got Wi-Fi to it. Do you have tape, or I gotta figure out what I do? So are you eating lunch?
not yet. I mean, I'm still sucking down coffee. I finished my chocolate milk.
What, Caitlin? I know he's already in. You gotta let him potty. Donna's not here to do that.
It's a foggy morning. I wish a barge was going by right now, but there are barges on this river.